Hi everyone, my name is Huy. Student ID is Y105726741, and this is my accessibility and security assessment for MegaWork website. And this is the part of the creating web application unit. So, in this video, I will walk you through how I apply accessibility principles based on BCAG AG guidelines, the results from accessibility testing using the WAVE tool, and two security enhancements based on OWASP, and some references that I use to assess for the accessibility guidelines. So let's move on. The principle number one is perceivable. This is the first BCAG principle. So I ensure on the images is meaningful, on text, and which help the screen reader is interpret visual content. So on the form are clearly labeled using the label tag, and I maintain the strong color contract across the sites to improve the readability for all users, including those visual impairments. So for the for the principle number two is operable. So this is addressed by ensuring that every part of the site is usable with only keyboard. I added the visual focus outlines to make it clearly which element is active. I also use semantic HTML such as button, and it's showing here such as the button, and aid with the rubber road. So to ensure accessible tech assistant the page. And for the understandable principle, I use clear instruction and descriptive label in on form. So our messages are written with the brandly user friendly language, help the user correct the mistake correctly, and easy to recognize what they are make the mistake, so they could fix it back easily. So example here, when I type number in the name, the feedback, so first name must be alphabetic and maximum 25 character, and so on. So the website maintain a consistent uh, header, menu, and footer layout, and so on, which is make the navigation so predictable and simple. So for to meet the robust principle, I use HTML5 from type like email, telephone, and number, which is improved validation and compatibility. I tested the website on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, and I confirm that screen reader can correctly interpret form element. This is the Firefox application, and this is for the Chrome. Where is it? This is for the Chrome, and for the Safari as well. So this is the four principle for accessibility. So, oh, sorry. Okay, sorry for the interrupt. So that is a four principle for accessibility. So I use the wave accessibility. I use the wave accessibility test to test tool to evaluate my site. So each major page is including the home page, inquiry page, product page, payment page, manager page, and etc. So in the dashboard, pass mainly pass with no big accessibility error, but there's a few errors that I could improve in the future, and I will show it here in the web page. So example in the home page, this is one contract error. It says let's move to the detail. It says for the header mega work. So for this header, the contact is very low, so the users it's not so readability for the users with the white color. So this needs to increase the contrast between the foreground color and the background color. Uh, so the larger text does not require a much contrast as smaller text. So I could improve this one in the future. So example in this for the contract arrow like this one. So with the button of the price, the user could be hard to recognize this is the price button. So I could in the future I could change this color into a friendly for more friendly and more readable for the users by changing the color and the button label for the users to easily to recognize it without any effort. So with the example for the alert for the justify context, so this for this one with many spaces in between the content and it make the content the logic and the content of the page look so messy and not a very professional way. So this in the future I could remove the full justification from the text of on the product details. Example for the manager contract error with the with contract error with the button. So and register this one. So for most no not most for a few users they are hard to see the contract of the page. So I have to colorful and make a label for the for something like in the register so they can easily see it and press it as they want. So it's the same to the header that I have to increase the contrast between the foreground and the color in the background as well. So that's it for this is for accessibility test. And for the input security enhancement one, it is input validation. So for the security, I first implemented strong input validation. So every input is validated on server PHP using PHP. So I use HTML special to I use HTML with special to prevent XSS attacks and uh, and the and the MySQL real escape string to escape the SQL yeah. And MySQL real escape string to escape the SQL input. So this protect the site from the port cross-site scripting and SQL injection. So move to the security enhancement tool. It says manager login. The second enhancement is use a PHP session to track login state, and the manager page is protected using the session check. Manager page is protected using the session check. So if the users didn't log in, so it would direct to the login.php page for users to log in, and if the user isn't logged, they are redirected to this page. So, and logging out is when the users already logged in, they want to log out. So when they press log out, all the sessions is destroyed to prevent unauthorized access. And to summarize, the MegaWork website is fully accessible under WCAG 2.1 and is not too fully, but it could be improved in the future and has a solid security improvement like form validation and sessions-based logging. This feature goes beyond the assignment requirement to create more professional and safe the web applications. And the main preference are used to implementing and validate accessibility and security. The WCAG official document, Wave tool, and OWASP test guide, and PHP development. So resources. So that's it. That is all of my accessibility and security guidelines. So I would just go through my web page process. So let's see how it's going. Process to payment. So mark the and this is the receipt for the manager page, and here it is. So, and that's thanks for watching my accessibility and security assessment for the MegaWork website. I hope this would go through show how I make my website both usable and secure for all users.